girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Good job.
I see you got a torture collar. I can't spit it out. I'm here. I could hook up, my DJI Osmo app, and I could have controlled my camera from here. And the only thing I cannot do is basically get my Wi-Fi going. So I'll look at it later. I can see if I'm in frame. And I'm using the Tech microphone. And there I am. Hey, I'm Fish. Hey, I'm Fish. That's Optimus that we see. Went to the store, just took a couple of shots of the fruits and all. I guess I'm recording. There I am. I just couldn't hear the beep. And the phone don't beep, don't warn you. Maybe that's something that they could communicate with one another. At least the app, Apple, they control the brightness. Ah, magic words. I put voice command on. Did a nice job. DJI take a photo. It don't snap photo, but at least I get to see an actual gain meter. But everything is so backwards on the phone. My orientation's there. DJI stop recording. DJI stop recording. Stop recording. DJI stop recording. I'm going to try Zoom. There I am. Zoom, 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 baby. 2.0. Now I'm holding a selfie stick, and I'm not a fan of watching that software blur out just the stick. And yeah, it's not like an Insta360 where it does it nicely. But I'm going to try it with, the DJI Mimo app. Give it a shot if I remember. It's a windy day. The wind is rustling along. Yeah, and I got my mic here, and what I'm going to do, tuck it into my shirt so it could give it some type of a little bit of a wind muff. I'm having fun with the Action 4 people, and I updated my firmware, and I believe I got the sharpness down one level. I don't love the way they just give a 1, 2 thing like that. I wish they just put a high, medium, and low. And noise reduction, maybe that screen there could just say for video or something. I don't want to guess it's video noise reduction every time. But at least the good thing is it's in the actual default of the camera once you load the software. I did a time lapse of clouds for a few seconds, and it did it for like 5 minutes or so. And yeah, I'm having a good time. And I think I am going to go out tonight, this time with a GoPro and the Action 4, and do that DRC D23 drone video again. I have some fun flying. And then you could decide if GoPro does a good job. But if you want, post down below that you're going to buy me a GoPro Hero 11 and I could test it out. Otherwise, it's got to be a GoPro Hero 10 for me. Well, I had a good enough time offering you sample video footage. The DJI Osmo Action 4 sample footage. You're the one that will decide if this camera is right for you. Well, I'm not on horizon balance, but I am like this a little bit, and that's because of my Ulanzi MT-08. Well, I'm going to get on out of here, get on my scooter, and call it a day. You're not going to see any scooter riding because I want to be hands-free unless I tuck it in here. And then you're going to have a tea for timeout bar in your face. I think I tried to interrupt the shutdown and it didn't go. Maybe it was just me. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to take the wind muff off, the earpiece off. Have a great day. They no longer make this. It's a $12.99 product, 40 bucks online. Best Buy had it, 12 bucks and change. On the scooter I go. Off I go. Oh, that's beautiful.
The turkey. The lantern dog.